I'm representing an older person above the age of 70 that's getting a divorce. Now, I have a number of elderly clients in the field of guardianship or estate planning, contesting some aspect of surrogates court. But in this particular case, I'm representing an individual that does not want to be divorced. Doesn't want to be divorced, does not want to sell the property that's owned with the partner, doesn't want to move. So we have this friction, because when you own a property inside of a marriage, well, what can be done? A can buy out B, or B can buy out A, or A and B together can sell to a third party. But what happens when one person wants to sell? Well, ultimately, and this can happen for a young couple, it can happen for an old couple, it can happen for people with adolescent teenagers. You frequently get one spouse that wants the house sold and the other spouse would like to keep it and stay in there. There has to be a recognition that when a marriage ends, the circumstances and the factual situation that existed while you were together can no longer exist. And if you have any value home, $200,000 home, I don't even know that they exist in New York anymore, but 100,000 would conceivably belong to partner A and 100,000 to partner B, subject to taxes and payment and realtor. But even if you have $1 million home, subject to all of those expenses, well, how do you get out? You're close to $500,000. Possibly the only way to do it is to sell to a third party. But my client and my mission is to not sell the property, because that's what my client wants. Or, in the alternative, buy out the other side. And that's some tact and negotiation and prayer. Well, prayer always helps everyone. Even if you just pray to your higher power.